Hey guys, Ayana here from Amisha Designs, back at it with another refashion of one of my grandmother's closet pieces. So let's get into it. What I really love about this piece is the pants. Like, I am in love with the pants. I love the flare, I love the pockets, I love that high waistband aspect. I just love it. And please, can we just stop and take a look at this retro pattern? Yes, come through, Granny, with the patterns. The first thing I did was measure off where I wanted to cut the pants while I still had it on to get that right length of the shorts. So what I did was fold where I wanted it, then marked off with the chalk. The next thing was the jacket, and what I did was identified the new length of the top and used my clips to keep that in place. So that was my marker as to where I needed to stitch and cut away excess fabric for the jacket. Once that was done, I took my chalk and marked off where I wanted to cut the top from. Now at the top right here, I kind of had an idea for it to look like an off-the-shoulder top. So now it's time to work on the pants. So what I did was fold the pants in half, just like what you see I'm doing here, and making sure that the side I marked with the chalk is facing upright. I made sure everything was neatly lined off and proper, and just made my big chop. Snippity snip, snip, baby. Now, because the pants was extremely flared, I wasn't expecting it to look so off when I cut it into the shorts. So what I did was actually continued the pleats that stopped about an inch below the waistband, and I just continued those pleats all the way down the full length of the shorts. Once I did that, it actually took in the pants a bit at the front and got rid of the bulk that was actually being created at the front of the pants. Time for the top now. I already marked off my hem with the clips, so now I had to mark off where I was cutting to create the off shoulder. Now, I didn't show this part on camera, but before I did the cut, I removed the sleeves from the top. This is how the top looks with the sleeves removed and the top cut with the raw edges hemmed and neat. I then worked on the sleeves to remove that excess sleeve curve you're seeing right here, and what I did was draw out a new slightly curved line and cut there. I also didn't show this part on camera, but I placed my cut sleeve on top of the other one to make sure I had an identical cut on the other sleeve. Once my sleeves were cut and hemmed, I attached them, and that was it. Outfit complete. I must say I am super proud of myself because with every project that I do, I learn new skills and I also find new little tricks to finish a project even quicker. So till next time guys, deuces.